My name is Jon Evrard. I'm a general manager here at Fresh Griller, a fast casual concept in Orange County. I think scheduling is kind of an activity that any manager dreads. With so many different employees and such dynamic schedules with all of them, it's always a challenge to find the perfect schedule that meets both your employees' needs and the restaurant's needs. Trying to collect all the data of when people are available and keep it current is sometimes a challenge. So with Zip schedules, it's kind of nice because they can change it on their phone and we get those updates in real time. So no matter what their second job's doing, no matter what their school's doing, no matter what's going on in their life, we always get those updates all in the palm of our hand, extremely conveniently, so we can just make the schedule based off that, and it's a lot easier than trying to get all of that information together every week while you're making the schedule. I think the hesitations we had are the same hesitations everyone has when they're trying a new product, especially when you have multiple units. Any change is a big change, and it takes some time to implement, get used to, and to teach everybody. So I think it was mostly not only us learning it, but also teaching it and making sure it's easy for everyone to learn as far as management team and staff. With Zip schedules, luckily the format was so easy and so recognizable. You know, and nowadays everyone has an iPhone, everyone has a smartphone, everyone is familiar with that technology and that layout. So it was extremely easy to teach everybody. It's, you know, the whole layout of it makes sense. It's all really easy to read. It's all really easy to navigate. And it just feels familiar. So team members or management can pick it up really quickly. It's really easy to teach and it's really easy to use. So managing multi-unit business is super easy. Scheduling is really easy with the two. I think the real benefit with Zip schedules is all the features for the employees. You know, not only do we get to manage the schedule and kind of base it off what our operations need, what our store needs, what our restaurant needs, but the employees have a certain amount of control also. You know, if they need to switch shifts, they can do it on their phone. Kind of increases communication, and we all know how important communication is in any growing business. And they get to request time off. So if they have something come up, they can request some chunk of time off. We get the alert for that, and we can approve it right then and there and find coverage for it all on the go. With Fresh Griller growing so rapidly, Zip schedules forecasting and budgeting feature is really helpful. It helps forecast sales based on previous week's sales, and it does it automatically. So it's not something that we have to worry about or we have to micromanage, and that helps us staff accordingly. It helps us bring in the right amount of people that we need to make sure that our business has the support that it needs to grow and to continue to grow. I would absolutely recommend Zip schedules. I think everyone knows that the restaurant industry in particular is a pretty tight-knit community. It's a pretty small industry and we all keep in contact with each other. And I talk about Zip schedules all the time. It's super helpful. I think any business could benefit from how easy it is to use. It's made scheduling easier in every way.